The bookshop is between the school and the police station. The bookshop is between the school and the police station. Okay, what is the first picture? Okay, what is it? Bookshop, okay. Thank you. Is between the two, entonces, what is it? And the police station. Okay, excellent. What is it? Okay, repeat with me. And the supermarket. The hospital is between the bus station and the supermarket. Okay, what is first? What is the number one? Okay. A ver, aquí hicimos un error, ¿verdad? No, first is the soup and then is the library, the bookshop. Then here is what is the number one? Okay, what? No. Police station. No, it's bus station, it's police station, it's bus station. Okay, number one. Then, what is the number one? Hospital. Porque somos diciendo que está en los primeros papeles. En medio de los dos lugares. Between, exactly. Is what? The police station, what is the police station? Where is it? You see the police station? Okay, the police station is between the food shop, what is the food shop? And the gas station. What is another one? What is another one? Okay, the bookshop, right? The bookshop. Police station. Next is police station. Yes. Excellent. Okay, the between the police station is between the gas station and the bookshop. The school is between the supermarket and the bank. The hospital is between the bus station and the supermarket. The bookshop is between the school and the police station. I said gas station? Oh my God. Sorry, I get it, okay? The hospital is between the bus station and the supermarket. No. Okay. Okay, sorry. You take a look. Yes, Sarai. What is the police station? Next to? No. The Okay, excellent. Elise, where is the school? Between? Supermarket and the bank. Excellent. Okay, listen. What? No, listen. Okay, bookshop, police station, gas station, bus station, hospital, supermarket, school, bank. Do you remember the shift of the service? Yes? ¿Te acuerdas de la hora? Yes. It's so similar, okay? But from yesterday, it was about a crossroad. ¿Sí se acuerdan, no? A crossroad. Enfrente de. This is for between, okay? For example, the police station. What is the police station? Is between. No, is between. The gas station and the